Check it out, gang. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Mr. 75 Caprice here with another video. Today, guys, we're gonna go check out this car show slash swap meet right here in Moritz, which is a big car show they do annually. They have a lot of old stuff for sale, cars for sale, so we're gonna be checking it out, see what we can find. Right now we are getting here to the destination. We're gonna find some parking, and hopefully we can find some cool stuff, guys. So y'all want to make sure to stay tuned for the video, see what we can find or see what we run up to. Ooh, what we got here? We got some die-cast cars. Should have brought my mini-me. He probably would have won one of these.
There are some snap-on sockets you will find. I've gone through most of them. Gigs. Three-quarter sockets. Three-quarter from maybe you.
Look what we found here, guys. This is a 71 Chevy Caprice NOS front header panel. Too bad it doesn't have the letters in the front. Otherwise, I would have bought it. I mean, I don't need it, but these are worth some money. Only if it had the Chevrolet in the front header. Oh well. Let's see what else we can find. I can spot this thing miles away. Look at this, guys. We got some box Chevy tail lights. He only wants $10. They got some corrosion though, y'all can see. I mean, for $10, they're not that bad, but I don't need them. I don't know if I want to keep piling junk at the shop, but it is at the end, so in case I do change my mind, probably come pick them up. I don't know. Ooh, what we got over there? Convertible. Alright, let's see what else we run into, guys. Check out this bad boy, guys. $1964. $800. Don't look in better of a shape, but $800. Don't know what this bikes go for. Got the spring there.
I got pretzels.
Got some nice pickups. $9,000. It's a 64. Oh, they got a short body right here. C10. $22,000 for this one. Too bad it's a 6 lug anyways. We need 5 lug. We need something to put them 28-inch billets. 6 lug, no good. Alright, let's keep going. Got some Impala SS wheels. Don't need them either. We actually got a set. They came with the red truck with the turbo. Thought these were Caprices, but Thunderbird.
That's not for them. No.
Definitely not Chevy.
Mine will. I got no.
These are not bad, but like I said, I don't need them. Should have brought the golf cart. Well, I ran across this cheap body Regal bumper, guys, and I just cashed out. Looks like it's in good shape with no rust. Probably hit it and polish it when we get back to the shop, but I don't think it was bad. I mean, I don't need it, but we can do something with it. Maybe someone needs to. No, I just pay for it. I'm just.
Okay.
They want the same vehicle.
Perfect.
I just hang that in my living room, like Walter.
I gave him $1 last night.
Hey, what are you trying to buy?
That guitar.
Why?
Because I'll invest 20 and I'll make that shit back tonight.
We're at a car swap meet and you're trying to buy a guitar?
You're gonna stand down there and we're gonna give you tips.
You never even, you know how to use a guitar?
Oh, that's what I got YouTube for, bro. Then you'll catch me on YouTube fucking making guitar.
Alright, go ahead.
Give me guitar lessons.
Alright, bye, come on.
Hey, if you buy the guitar, you gotta Oh, baby Julian can have this.
See, there you
got a
go.
big violin right there.
Y'all can have a band.
Guys, this guy wants to buy that guitar right here.
I'll buy the violin too, Juan.
Man, we'll buy both. I think the violin looks more cool.
He's so broken.
Legend.
It's broken?
No, you can't. I tell you don't touch that means don't touch.
Yeah, it just needs a straight hook right back on it.
See, whenever you're bored, you can just be at home just playing that.
You want one?
No, I can't eat candy.
He's lying. He can't eat candy.
Are you gonna buy it or what?
It don't work, Juan.
It don't work?
What's wrong with it?
Here, buy the shotgun right here. This is pretty cool right here.
Yeah, it's a good guitar. Is it? Yeah.
Legend.
Why not?
Stop, baby.
I don't even know how to play guitar. I was buying for just a helping you out. I got more of that into it. What are you into it? I got 30 into it. That's what I'm gonna get out of it.
Ooh, they got the rolling.
And the case. Well, when you had 30 into it, it was
These are peanuts.
Sasha, it cost you $5, dude.
That are not supposed to eat.
Hey,
Fine.
you wanna buy the Rolex?
Where?
Wanna buy the Rolex, bro?
Woo!
You can be our.
Bust down, Rolly.
That's a Romex.
Bust down, Rolly.
Oh, yeah, they're marbles.
Yeah, you like marbles?
Yeah. Don't be a marble. And don't try that with her.
Why?
You can buy it or what?
Sure, I have to go here.
Man, this guy. What are you gonna do with a guitar? Oh, that's the case right there?
Yeah.
Here, we can't be back here. Legend.
Don't I sound like Johnny Cash?
You gotta play. Play.
That's about it.
Your skin's a little darker.
I just said I look like the motherfucker. I said, doesn't the guitar sound like him?
Yeah, it sounds beautiful.
See, look at that.
Oh, you were doing it with your finger or your nail?
I'm good like that.
There you go. Don't mind the broken string.
I won't buy this, bro.
Alright, let's
I
go.
get bored sometimes.
Then buy it. Come on.
You'll be impressed when I fucking got some guitar lessons.
Let's go.
Why you get married already? I could have fucking played you at your wedding.
Yeah!
Hey,
Give me a
man.
purpose to learn.
Put your back by the car. Sit it somewhere and put it in your
Dad,
house.
can you hold this?
So what, you really bought it?
Yeah.
Once you got it?
It would have made you some money.
Yeah, wouldn't budge, man.
You gonna buy
I
it?
felt bad, so I had to just give them.
Oh, man.
What would have made you some money? This guitar's gonna be a shadow system.
Man, you probably not even gonna play that. Probably once.
I probably won't one, but you know what? I spent fucking more than 30 on a horse.
This guy. Oh, we got a raffle here. Says win this raffle card. Challenger. Pretty nice. But look at them tickets, guys. How many tickets is there? That's a lot.
Mix them up pretty dang good, Eric.
Yep. Good luck. Let's go check out some cars. pretty neat. Got a Corvette. Well, who knows that car? Go check it out. Got the bumper push car. $69. I gotta have me one of these. Nice El Camino. Check out this engine bay. Now this is nice and clean.
Hey, now we're loading up the drum with some more tickets here.
Ah, look at this one. So many cars.
We just found a few more tickets. I thought we were going to run out there for a few minutes.
Ooh, we got the Corolla, the Corvette. We got a little bit of everything.
Okay, now specialty.
Yeah, I think we can find a box Chevy here, guys, or a Cutlass, G-body, maybe a Dunk. That'd be a tough one.
Steel cabinet for your shop. Well, they got the spring front deal on them.
We got a big Delta right here. Oh, they got a little Suzuki right here. So many cars. They say that it's over 800 cars here. I mean, a lot of them already left. You know, I got here kind of late, but it's definitely a lot of cars. See, they got a lot of pickups over there. And that one looks good. Let's go check it out, gang. Oh yeah, this thing is nice. Nice. This is what we need right here. We need a C10. They probably don't want to sell it.
They would have been able to get part of
Ooh, check that one out, gang. Got the billets and intros. Oh, he got the matching steering wheel. I think it's on the floor. Don't even know where to go. There's so many lanes, so many cars. Trying to see something that we like. Well, we like everything, but you guys know what we like to buy. That's nice. This Camaro's pretty nice. Seen it a couple times, couple meets. Check out the convertible Dodge.
Pero las malas llantas que traigo, pues trae llantas chiquitas enfrente y atrás.
We have a nice G-body right here, the Grand Prix. This is nice. I never had one of these. They're not as popular, but they still look nice. Some nice wheels, everything looks good. We got a Regal right here. That's nice. It's just not the right year. That's nice. Oh, these things are cool. Oh, Road Runner. Who knows about these? These are pretty cool. They almost look fake every time you see one. Well, you barely even see these, but these always look kind of fake. Look at that big wing you got in the back.
Again, I should be with you.
The thing is pretty neat. Just the stuff that it has done to it. Like, when do you guys see cars like this? Look at the front end. It's Nice. Clean mud.
They all sound that way. That's what I said. That's what I like about
Yeah.
Well, we got a colors right here. '86 floor shifter. Nice and clean. Oh, it's T-top too. It's just like the one we got rid of. Nice.
Look at what we found. What?
Ooh, we got another colors here, and it's for sale. Oh, and it's got an LS motor. Wonder what they asking for this bad boy. Oh, I think it's stick shift. I think it's stick shift. Yep, looks like it's stick shift. Hey, this your car? What are you asking for? What are you asking for?
20.
20?
Yeah.
Stick shift?
Yeah, stick shift. TKO 5-speed. It's only about 2 years old. The engine's a 5.3 with Texas speed cam in it. I rebuilt that about 2 years ago with the trans.
Okay.
Full UMI suspension, front rear, all your thin bushings. 7.5 rear end rebuilt with a girdle on the cover. Pretty much been through the whole entire car.
What computer does it got?
Fitek.
Fitek?
Fitek.
You're local from here?
I'm in Worth, about maybe 45 minutes away.
45 minutes. Okay. You did all the work yourself? Yeah. All right. All right. Well, I took a picture of your thing.
Yeah,
so.
keep an number. Yeah, let me know if yours.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah. Have a good one.
You too. All right. He's asking 20 grand. It is stick shift. Got the Fitek. It's pretty clean. Might have to do something with this. What y'all think, gang? What we got here? Monte Carlo. License plate says top left. Ooh, and it's T-top. Looks all original. Gotta be an 83, 84. It's got the window sticker. '83. Pretty clean.
I know it's over $1,000 for the winner. If you don't need any more money, don't buy any tickets. You got enough.
Thank you.
Oh, they're selling pizza there.
Sam's Pizzas! $4 a slice!
$4 a slice. Oh, they got a nice OBS pickup over here. Oh yeah, this thing is nice. $95. Monte Carlo. That thing is cool.
They're the best, I'll tell you.
And now the colors right there. Ooh, C10, they keep calling my name. We got the C10 GMC here. This is pretty nice too, two-door Blazer.
I haven't had a car since I sold it in 41.
I see a Grand National over there. We got a Monte Carlo SS. We got a, oh, I thought it was a Chevelle. I don't know what this is. '86 SS T-top. We got some nice cluster. It's a Regal T-type. I thought it was a National. I only seen the hood, that's why. Nice and clean. V6 turbo.
Looks gorgeous, guys.
Well, that sounds good right there. Chevelle. That's a nice color. Oh, is that a 70? Yep, that's a 70. That's a nice color right there. Pretty nice. Oh, y'all gotta check this thing out. This thing is nice. Pretty old school. I like it. What y'all think about this gang? Got a lot of nice character. Yeah, that thing's scraping on the floor. Oh, I see got colors over there too. Go check out this Ranger. This Ranger looks clean. Man, I seen one of these the other day on wheels. The thing looks so good. This one looks in good shape. You know, when they got mirrors underneath, their thing is clean. Look at that, gang. Nice, clean work. Like it was a frame off. Pretty nice. Alright, let's see what else we run into. Too bad we didn't see no dunks. They done bought them all. No, I seen that colors over here. Where's it at? Oh, it's over here, the blue one. Oh, there's two of them. Both of them look really nice. Got nice paint jobs. It's a 85. Not sure what this one is. This one looks like it's been redone. Got the buckets, floor shifter. Look at the interior, looks crispy. Nice cars. That's pretty cool. They got twins. Ooh, they got some nice C10 right there.
Yeah, he's supposed to be stumping. He wants to buy a chance on
Got a nice big motor.
No, you're bad.
Alright, gang, I'm gonna finish walking this aisles. If I see something cool, show you guys. Alright, gang, I gotta show you guys this. Check out this Ford. Look at the spot to hide the spare. Pretty cool, right? Now that's some nice creativity.
What? Stop. Leave mom alone. Come on. Come here, Dad.
Nice Bronco. Yep, we're gonna take these. All right, thank you.
You'll see. Go straight. Look. Go straight. Look. Stop right there. Dude,
Don't listen to them, just go.
Look, right there.
I'll try not to hit anybody.
Oh, okay. Very demanding.
Yeah, so I have to read my own. Where am I dropping it off?
Well, guys, we ended up just leaving with a 1980s Buick Regal bumper, which is in good shape. There's no rust on it. On the chrome side, don't look at the rusty color inside. The outside's pretty clean, and we came across this Chevy Caprice hood cap. You know, pay $5 for them. You know, sometimes the Chevys don't got hood caps, so if not, we're just gonna hang them on the wall. But I guess we spent in total $50. $40 for the bumper, $5 for the hood caps, and $5 for the golf cart ride to bring this to the car. So I don't know, hopefully at least we can make something out of this bumper, right? Who needs a bumper? Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and thanks for watching.